script writing, different sequence of how you do a story or film. I also learned editing, different type of like log and capture, how to capture the video, the film inside the Mac, yeah. And also how to use a camera and the names of different types of parts of it.
Hey Jude, what are you doing?
Did you see I'm trying to rest here? Trying to pick up all this trash.
Come on, forget about it. Let's go.
Charlie,
Ow.
come back.
Okay, stop yelling. See now, you're making me do all the work, but you wanted to do it.
You know where you're standing on?
What? It's just dirt.
It's not just dirt. What would you feel if our environment, our island, was
Julie.
full of trash?
What's the matter with you?
What will you feel? Just tell me.
Okay, my friend, you're right. This is our environment.
See, that's why I love the island.